Well, good morning, homeroom. I'm sorry we are not in person, and this is going to make the 9th grade algebra class a little bit more challenging, but I figured we'd start with a little bit of an easier lesson to get back in the swing of things. So we're going to redo lesson 9.4. So also bear with me here as I try and use this screen share option. So this is on page 386. Okay, and we're going to be going over the FOIL method again. As you remember, that's where we finished. So for our first example problem that we're going to do, which is going to be your first problem of homework, you're going to have x minus 6 times x plus 2. Now, if you remember the way that the FOIL method works, is you take the first one here, multiply it by the first one there. X times x is x squared. Then we take the outside, so we do x here times the 2, and x times 2 is 2x. Then we take the inside here, the negative 6, multiply it by the x, we get minus 6x. And then lastly, we take the negative 2, or the negative 6 times the positive 2, which equals negative 12. Now, as you can tell, these are like terms, so we're going to change color here and combine these for our final answer being x squared. Stays the same, stays the same. 2x minus 6x is minus 4x minus 12. And this right here in red is our final answer. So that's a little bit of a review. I'm going to do another one just so you can see a little bit more complicated problem. So another part of the homework that we're going to be doing, which is not very many problems, same page, 386. Problem is going to be like this right here, where we have a plus 6 squared. Now the first thing to do here is to get this into two binomials, okay? So we have to convert this to a plus 6 times a plus 6. Now that is not a b, that is actually a 6. So the first thing we do is we change up the color here, a times a, which is a squared. We do a times 6, which is 6a. Then we do 6 times a, which is also 6a. And then last we do 6 times 6, which is 36. Now again, we have these like terms right here, so we have to add them. So let me see if I can write the answer, final answer over here in red. Up top is going to be a squared. 6a here plus 6a here is 12a, plus 36 stays the same, and that right there is our final answer. A squared plus 12a plus 36. Okay, so there's some review. I don't know how well your internet will be able to download this, but I hope it'll be easy for you to watch this and make sense. So again, that's page 386. That is lesson 9.4. We already did 9.4 before we went on break, but it's been 2 weeks. So I wanted to give you all this short review, and I'll probably be sending out another video with some more explanation on it. This is just kind of a trial and first one. So the homework for 9.4 part 2 is this right here. It is 11 through 20 all, and then it is 26 through 30 all. So that is the homework. It is on GradeLink. So if you cannot get into GradeLink, or your parents can't get into GradeLink, I want to remind you that I have your login password if you have forgotten it, and I will be able to give that to you, send it to you in an email. So if you or your parents can't remember how to get in, please have them email me, and I will send them the proper username and password, and they'll be able to do that. So again, homework for this first day back is 11 through 20 all and 26 through 30 all. So if you did not finish before break the homework that was due then, please do that as well. I'll be sending you an email if you had not finished that. Okay, there was day 1. We'll see there's any questions, please email me if there's anything that was confusing. Thank you. Mr. H is out.